Hey, welcome back. For y'all already know, a quick little video. So with that being said, we are going to go ahead and get right into this video as usual. Now, y'all, if y'all did not see that live that Liv did last night, let me tell y'all missed a great treat. When I tell you Liv again is running around here out of her damn mind, that is exactly what she's doing. So hey, I don't know what it is. I don't know because I'm not in the family, but somebody came and whispered in my ear that Liv is back in Texas. Somebody said that Liv is back in Texas and everything she has been saying is a lie, as well as Liv ain't got no coins. She gotta go ahead, and get her what you call savings account back up on point, like she say on baby. So I seen a picture where as though it was her kids and I guess their cousin, and they were over Gerard's house. Now I can tell y'all already, Liv probably wanted to go outside and scream and yell, get in the car and do the bad acting that she does. Because see, this is the thing with Liv, y'all. This is the thing. Liv problem is that she wants to control everything. That's the problem. That's where she needs to, sit back, take a look and reevaluate. She says that she has a bad attitude. We already know that you have a bad attitude, but therefore what you need to work on is control. I don't know how many times I am going to tell you this. You were on there saying that how could Gerard go and be with another woman while his kids are with his sister? Liv, it's nothing wrong with that. They can visit his sisters once in a while. There is nothing that you can do to stop that under any circumstances at all. But I gotta say, Liv, girl, I guess you do got a little bit of heart, I guess. Because I'm gonna tell you one thing right now. You would not have been able to step your foot into Texas, right? You wouldn't have been able to, because I would have been all over that ass. But y'all, Liv was on the camera. She had some wine, which had made her get drunk that fast. She wasn't drunk, don't get it twisted. She was more like, how when you like sleepy and then you decide because you have a cold to take something like, some Theraflu or some NyQuil, where you've got that drowsy, woozy type of feel. That's how Liv was. And then she started smoking cigarette after cigarette. Yes. And at one point, she said she had to go to the bathroom so bad, over and over, for about, 4 to 5 minutes, she said it. And then she finally got up, went to the bathroom. And if I'm not mistaken, she ended the live and then decided to go ahead and come back. I mean, in the comments, I can already tell you it was going on in the comments. They were saying, Liv, do you live in someone's basement? Liv, did you happen to get Section 8? Liv, what type of cabinets are those? And I gotta say, I was even being nosy. I was being nosy myself as well, because I had looked back there when she supposedly, I guess she was in her room, laying across her bed, and the headboard was not normally what Liv would have. So I'm looking, I'm like, is she, what is going on? Because Liv already, had said she wasn't going back to Texas. Remember, she got on there. She claimed that she did own the house. The stuff that we see on the damn internet is not true at all. So, Liv, you mean to tell me that people can go on to look in the records of Zillow or wherever they go, and whatever they pull up is not correct, right? It's not correct, because you still own the house. I heard that good shit. I heard it. I heard it. Now, Liv at one point started to, make up a whole scenario where she called herself Susie. Like I said, it was the wine and it was beginning to fuck with her heavy. All right. So anyway, this person is supposed to be called Susie. 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 Susie was actually Olivia. All right. So what she said that, Gerard was basically still trying to have sex with her and everything. And she was like, ew. She said that she is not a hoe. That is something that she is not. Going back to when she spoke about the actual house, she said that is not what she do. And she was pertaining to getting evicted. So every time she gets a chance to go ahead and throw Chrissy under the bus, she does it. But I got a treat for y'all that y'all are definitely going to want to hear. And y'all already know I am going to come with the receipts like I always fucking do. So anyway, Liv went from, him trying to have sex with her and, this and him still calling her, him saying that he loves her, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, that's what, Liv did. She spoke again about, him having the truck in her mother's name. And a couple days ago, she said that they were going to go ahead and repo that. So I don't know, but I'm pretty sure that Gerard came down and he dicked Liv right on down. I don't care what she says, because Liv is a compulsive, habitual liar. She does not tell the truth. That is something that she does not do. It's not in her. Y'all can't even get mad no more when Liv tell you a lie. Come on, none of them. You can't get mad at Liv. You can't get mad at Ming. You can't get mad at Starla. You can't get mad at Jazzy. You can't do it. It is what it is. So, all of a sudden, she goes ahead and she puts her head down on a counter, and Liv at that point, I'm going to tell you, she was out for the count. What I mean by that, I guess her emotions got the best of her and had taken over. And when she put her head back up, she was crying. Now, I got to be honest. I felt a little bad for her when she did that. But y'all already know how Liv get down. And you feel me? And my thing is that you've already tarnished this guy's reputation. Not only his reputation, but his family's reputation, his mom reputation, his sisters. I don't care if they have sisters. I don't even care if they fucking play sisters. All right? Yeah, she tarnished that. So with you doing that, you already said that Gerard has a little Peter Weeder. Why the fuck are you over there? You get what I'm saying? Then on top of that, you said that the guy is irresponsible. To put the cherry on top, you have went on to say that Gerard was sleeping with prostitutes. See, prostitutes can be kind of dirty. That's where you can get a lot of infections from, whether it is viral or it is, down in the girl part. You get what I'm saying? So it seems to me that everything that you are saying about Gerard, no matter how bad you love him, baby, you should not want to be with this man at all. You said that he has a little Peter Weeder. I keep reminding you that you said that. You said that he was sleeping with prostitutes. You even eluded the fact that Gerard may have been bisexual. But yet, no matter what it is, you are running behind Gerard like you are a wet dog. I don't know who needs to talk to you or tell you to stop it, but believe me, someone needs to get on top of your eyelashes and say, Liv, it is time to let go, and I guess let God. Because as what I've seen so far, yeah, I really, I'm going to tell you, I really think that you may want to go ahead and sit yourself down somewhere. All right. And then the other thing what I was real confused about as well, what was up? Like, you play so many games now. You get what I'm saying? And you always, oh well, I'm the realest one. I'm from LA or whatever. I tell the truth. Everything that you do is always a lie, Olivia. That's why we look at you real crazy. That's why you get videos made on you, because we are looking at you like this stupid bitch. Do she realize that she is lying again and we already know what she is actually lying about? Yeah, because the way you had it, if you are in Texas, you said, oh no, but you weren't even going to go back down that road at all. And let me tell you something. If I was Stella, you know, the Stella, your mom, the one with the boots, or your sister Raquel, I would not have shit to say to you if you went there. For one, they helped you clear out. You get what I'm saying? Your home, because Gerard was not there. He was not there. For two, your mom watched the kids as well, and they supported you. One night you was over there, you know, getting drunk. Everybody else is looking at you like, go ahead, Olivia, but we ain't gonna get drunk. We just gonna take a little taste to get a little bit tipsy. No, you were over there trying to get bent. All right. I mean, I don't know, Liz, but yeah, you are definitely acting, you know, a little crazy. So what I wanted to say, y'all, do you guys, like I said before my camera cut off, do you guys think that Chrissy and Olivia, or maybe Jasmine added all up into there as well as me, they are playing this dumbass game? Do you really think that? Yeah, so before my phone, you know, cut off, because as always, I need a battery. My question to you is that, do you think the Mommy Anna gang all talk behind closed doors? Do you really think that Chrissy and Olivia just might be besties? But I don't know, y'all. Comment down below and go ahead and look at the clip that is about to come up in a few. I will see you guys in the next video.